Hey Luxefluent family! Today, we've landed inside Supercar Blondie's extravagant 100 million dirham villa in Emirates Hills. 7 ensuite bedrooms, a private cinema, spa bathrooms, high-tech smart features, you name it. Subscribe now for premier property tours. And number 1. Emirates Hills. Emirates Hills is one of Dubai's most prestigious gated communities, often referred to as Beverly Hills of the Middle East. Developed by Emaar Properties around 2003, it spans about 3.5 square kilometers and is characterized by ultra-luxury estates overlooking fairways of the Address Montgomery Golf Course. Land rates here can reach up to 2,600 dirhams per square foot, highlighting the neighborhood's exclusivity and premium allure. Within this enclave, Supercar Blondie's villa sits as a testament to bespoke customization and attention to detail. Over a 2-year renovation process, spanning from reworking landscaping to integrating cutting-edge smart technology, the property was reimagined as more than just a residence. It became a curated showcase of luxury living. Number 2. Structural layout and smart essentials. The villa covers multiple properties, featuring 7 fully ensuite bedrooms that ensure privacy and consistent luxury for family and guests. Floors are connected via both grand staircases and a private internal elevator, offering both elegance and accessibility. One standout feature is the smart glass windows, glass panels that can switch between transparent and opaque with a tap on a smartphone or voice instruction. They serve dual purposes of privacy and UV protection without compromising architectural flow. Beyond aesthetics, the home's infrastructure, smart climate controls, integrated security, voice-activated services, and home automation systems transforms daily routines into seamless experiences. From adjusting indoor temperature during Dubai's scorching summers to unleashing integrated audio across indoor and outdoor spaces, the tech backbone sets the tone for elevated living. Number 3. Designer kitchen and wine vault. At the heart of the home lies the kitchen, where Italian craftsmanship meets culinary functionality. High-end dual-fuel ranges, steam ovens, integrated refrigeration, and discrete storage solutions coexist behind sleek cabinetry. The kitchen's piece de resistance, a glass-enclosed wine vault, temperature-controlled to preserve hundreds of bottles. Located cleverly within sightlines of the main kitchen, yet tastefully concealed as a design anchor. This wine room blends aesthetics and atmosphere. Backlit shelving, dramatic glass doors, and ambient lighting make it both a functional wine cellar and a focal point that mirrors the villa's upscale identity. Whether hosting intimate dinners or entertaining, this kitchen becomes the stage for culinary expression. Number 4. Outdoor oasis and resort-style living. The villa's outdoor section unfolds like a private luxury retreat. A 20-meter saltwater lap pool anchors the space, surrounded by sunken lounge seating reminiscent of resort setups. A dedicated pool house, complete with outdoor kitchen, premium audio systems, and alfresco bar, supports both relaxation and entertainment. Palm trees, manicured lawns, and architectural lighting contribute to a holiday-like ambience, creating pockets of shade and social zone variety ideal for gatherings at any hour. Additionally, the backyard flows beneath the smart glass windows, ensuring seamless indoor-outdoor access. Patio seating, discreet poolside landscaping, and motorized sunshades imbue the space with flexibility for daytime lounging or evening entertaining, making it much more than mere aesthetics. It's a curated lifestyle environment. Number 5. Home Cinema, Entertainment HQ. Descending from the main living area leads to the villa's private cinema. This dedicated room features multiple rows of plush, fully reclining seating, expanded legroom, and integrated surround sound systems that rival luxury theaters. Acoustic wall panels, dark tones, and blackout motorized shades control ambient lighting and acoustics. The cinema's smart integration with automated screen drop, lighting schedules, and audio-visual selection via iPad or controller reinforces its boutique theater credentials. Whether screening films, documentaries, or car launches, it delivers a fully immersive, private cinema-style experience without stepping outside the home. Number 6. Hidden high-tech elements. The villa is packed with high-tech features concealed within visually stunning packages. One highlight is the laundry room, positioned so that one wall is floor-to-ceiling windowed, offering peek at Supercar Blondie's collection of supercars parked just outside. The ceiling is lined with fiber optic lights, mimicking a starlit sky, permission to enjoy even mundane tasks within an atmosphere of elegance. Across the residence, biometric access, discrete speakers, automated curtains, and zone climate control optimize both security and comfort. These unseen systems are integral to the villa's daily function, yet designed to stay out of sight, maintaining a clean, cohesive aesthetic. Number 7. Master Retreat, Bedroom to Spa. The master suite functions as a private sanctuary. The bedroom area, spacious and serene, features a large balcony, built-in audio, and automated lighting. Adjacent, a dual-entry walk-in wardrobe with modular storage caters to extensive wardrobes and quick outfit changes. The spa-like bathroom exudes luxury, a freestanding tub anchored beneath a chandelier, a walk-in steam shower, heated floors, and underground towel warming systems. Materials like marble, glass, and layered lighting contribute to a modern spa ambience, while skylights and opulent finishes automate comfort and wellness. Advanced climate control and sound management finalize the suite's luxurious practicality. Number 8. Italian fixtures and finishes. Italian-made hardware, including faucets, cabinet handles, drawer pulls, and lighting fittings, runs as a thread of design continuity through every space. The finishes lean toward brushed or polished nickel, often utilizing hand-blown glass shades and sculptural forms. Smart glass partitions, sliding doors, and movable panels allow rooms to adapt, shifting from open-plan connectivity to intimate settings in seconds. These design decisions reflect a global curated approach, blending craftsmanship with functionality. They illustrate meticulous attention to detail, ensuring both durability and aesthetic coherence from entry to entertainment areas. Number 9. Spa-level bathrooms and wellness. The wellness elements throughout the villa transform it into a spa haven. Several bathrooms hint at luxury, dual-range showers with variant nozzles, cedar wooden saunas, heated floors, and smart glass windows that switch opacity for privacy. Towel warmers and designer fixtures further enhance comfort. These features extend across guest bathrooms, forming a consistent environment that satisfies expectations of self-care, relaxation, and indulgence. The presence of such facilities throughout the home means that day-to-day routines feel elevated at every turn. Number 10. Guest lounges and skyline views. Upper floor living areas are designed around hospitality. A second lounge and auxiliary, kitchenette, or pantry ensures guests have autonomy. Dramatic floor-to-ceiling windows frame panoramic views. From the Address Montgomery Golf Course to the Burj Khalifa beyond, private terraces extend these lounges, offering versatile seating zones for sunrise coffee or evening cocktails. These guest suites balance shared and private spaces, ensuring every visitor experiences personal comfort, style, and exposure to the villa's skyline panoramas. Number 11. Home automation, centralized command. At the core of this villa lies a centralized smart home system managing climate, lighting, audio, window opacity, security cameras, and entry. Control is via wall-mounted panels, a centralized touchscreen, remote devices, or voice commands. The system enables zoning, for example, fast cooling in summer with back curtain opacity, or synchronized sunrise simulations for wake-ups. The high integration harmonizes functionality and daily use, maintaining a seamless, intuitive, luxurious lifestyle ecosystem. Number 12. Design cohesion and atmosphere. Despite the villa's expansive scale, materials, color palettes, and ambient lighting maintain unity throughout. Neutral shades, stone flooring, wood accents, metal detailing, and soft furnishings create continuity. Light plays a major role. Natural sunlight through glass walls, LED integrated coves, and dynamic accent lighting ensures spaces adapt according to time, wood, and function. The result? Rooms feel connected, not compartmentalized. A flowing narrative of luxury and experiential design. Number 13. Brand strategy and investment value. This villa also operates as a living brand statement for Supercar Blondie, Alex Hershey, a global automotive influencer with over 10 billion views across digital platforms. Every detail, be it the car-facing laundry window, the private cinema, or curated finishes, reinforces her image as a curator of luxury lifestyle. Property in Emirates Hills supports long-term investment value, underpinned by high demand in a gated, secure, amenity-rich community. Moreover, her SVX Cars platform, geared toward luxury vehicle auctions, aligns perfectly with this presentation of wealth and exclusivity, representing both personal taste and business branding via property. Imagine entertaining in that wine vault, relaxing in the cedar sauna, or hosting a movie night in that private cinema. What would you pick? Let us know in the comments. To keep exploring extraordinary homes, click the video up there, subscribe to Luxefluent, and get fluent, stay fluent.